Hey guys, I've been debating about whether or not I should do a video like this because I am not the type that I'm a private person. Am I even talking? I'm a private person when it comes on to personal matters. Many of us are like that, so I'm not one to really come on the internet to share much of my life. I normally do just like what I'm passionate about. And even I was thinking of doing more videos of my faith, doing faith based videos. But I don't think I'm going to make this video long. I am thinking of taking a break from YouTube for a while. I don't know how long it's going to be, and I feel like I owe it to you guys. As small as my channel is, I feel like I owe it to you guys to tell you that I'm going to take a break because right now our family is going through grief. We lost a loved one. I'm not the type to cry on camera as well. We lost a loved one, and I just we just need some time, to cope with this loss. And yeah, just come on here and say like I owe it to you guys to let you know I won't be posting for a while. I don't know how long that is, but yeah, I lost my uncle, right? I lost the breeze. I lost my favorite uncle, one of on Monday night. I thought I could have do this type of video, but I really can't. I was hoping I could pay a little tribute to him on my channel. I'll probably do it later on when I'm strong enough, I guess, because if I get into it, I feel like I'm just going to break down. I am not one to cry on camera. Yes guys, so yeah, see with me, and yeah. Until next time.